Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cool Ideas channel. We're living in a world of constant innovation, where new ideas and concepts are popping up left and right. And speaking of cool ideas, have you heard about the D-VIL electric bike concept by Anastasia Berg? Oh bo, this thing is wild. So, Anastasia Berg came up with this genius idea for an electric bike that's all about speed and efficiency. This bike is like the superhero of delivery personnel, zooming through the city streets faster than you can say, "Where's my pizza?" But here's the catch: it's not your typical two-wheeler. Oh no. It's a three-wheel wonder with a cockpit that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Anastasia thought, why not enclose it and make it look like it's ready to take on the world? Picture this. You're walking down the street, and out of nowhere, this electric beast flies by, making you think you accidentally wandered into a secret mission from the future. It's a bike. It's a spaceship. It's the D-VIL. But hey, it's not just about the looks. This bike has some serious functionality. It's got a cargo area in the back, perfect for stowing away all those delicious food deliveries. No more worrying about losing your fries on a bumpy road. This baby's got you covered. And let's not forget the high-tech features. The D-VIL is equipped with cameras and lights, turning it into a real hybrid vehicle. You can document your adventures on the road and make sure everyone knows just how awesome you look riding this bad boy. And who knows, maybe one day, we'll all be zipping around town in our own personal D-VIL bikes, feeling like superheroes in our own right. But until then, let's keep supporting those innovative minds who bring us these incredible ideas. Remember, the world is full of possibilities, and you never know what kind of cool idea will come to life next. Until next time, folks, stay cool, stay curious, and keep those electric dreams alive.